We'll get our 5. I'll get you on the video this last set. One more. All right, let's go ahead and stand on up. We got our standing position. Slight bend in those knees. So we'll go into that standing Y first. Sorry. Very nice. Good pace. Nice little hold at the top. Two more. Last one. Very nice. All right, let's see it. Here we go. Nice, keeping that in line with the back of the head. One more each way. There we go. We got our front raise, squats. Keep them right in line with those eyes. The entire time, nice control down. Let's go half that pace. Yeah. Two more. Last one. Very nice. Very nice. Right to our wall. We'll get our 5 here. Nice. Two more. Driving that head down. And last one. Nice. Right to the other side. Two more. And good. Very nice.